is up? Insomniacs Midnight Sun 518 here, back with another upgrade video for Sasha, my 2017 Tacoma TRD Pro. Very excited about this one. So today, I got the sequential turn signals on the mirrors, which is really fucking cool. So super easy install. Literally takes like, I don't know, 10 minutes. The most effort put into this one was taking the covers off of the fronts of the mirrors themselves, which is a little scary because it's just little pop tabs, right? And so when you're pulling on it, you don't want to break anything. But I promise they do come off. But yeah, so there they are. Kind of got them running both sides behind me right now. I ended up going with the clear lens instead of the smoked. I do think the smoked might look a little bit better for the look that I'm going on my truck, but these are super cheap. So maybe in the future, I'll end up deciding to go with that. But they look really cool, and I'm super happy to have them on my truck. And I'm really looking forward to being able to get these guys replaced with some new housings that also have sequential turn signals on the front, because I think that's just going to overall add to the look of the truck. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Alrighty guys, so just so that you can see it with the car on before we get going with the swap, I'm going to go turn it on real quick. So yeah, let's kind of go through what's in the box. So once again, we already saw this, but the lights themselves, right? Got two of them, of course, and then that's it. So I'll start over here with the driver's side, but pretty much to get to them, we just kind of gently pull on the plastic itself. Let me get this off and I'll show you. So yeah, it's just got a little lip and then a couple of tabs on the inside, but this is what it looks like when it's all pulled off. So the next step is we're going to undo both of these screws right here to release this like little holder that's holding this in place, right? The light itself. And then we got a little pinch clamp in the back here that I'm going to be undoing to remove the holder from the light itself. And I'll show you what that looks like. Dusty. All right, so we're actually going to be leaving this plate in place. I don't really know how to take it out on the bottom, but I don't think we have to, obviously, because you can peel this back a little bit and then just kind of slide this guy out from there. But yeah, so there's just a little plug, little pinch plug on the back. So we're going to pinch this down on the top there and pull, and then the old light comes right off. We got the new one right here, and once again, just kind of reversing the operation. I'm going to plug her in. All installed, I just had to peel off the prongs. Ha, ha, ha. The weather stripping was or the weathering strip, whatever you want to call it, was already off of the other one. So sorry about the dryer noise. There is a dryer going on in the background there. But yeah, so then this guy, we just kind of work our way in, being cautious of the weather stripping. And I'll show you what this looks like when I have it all buttoned together. And we always give it a quick test. It is all buttoned up and looking great. I really like this a lot. I can't wait until I get the sequential turn signals on the front and the back. But yeah, this looks good.
Alrighty guys, that is it for today's little upgrade video. Like I said, super easy, takes no time at all. And it adds to the look of the truck. So I love it. It looks beautiful. You get a little close up on here so you can kind of see what it's looking like up on the side there. I love the sequential turn signal look that this guy has compared to the original flashers. This looks so much better. I don't know. I like to go fancy with a lot of things, so I just think it's cool. But with that, I hope you guys did enjoy. obviously, I love upgrading my truck. It's a lot of fun, and I cannot wait for the next one. So I'll see you guys in the next video, episode. I don't know, whatever. Midnight Sun out.